Hello, good morning everyone. Myself Aryan Bhagavath.
Myself Soham, myself Vrindavan, myself Chaitanya.
We from SSPM Day School and Junior College. Today we are going to present a theme, the think tank, and our topic is sound decibel meter. Introduction. This presentation provides in-depth analysis of measurement, acoustic intensity using sound decibel meter. We will explore the principles, applications and best practices for accurate measurement of sound intensity.
Component for this project: IC1, IC2, transistor, diode LED10, polyester, electrolytic, resistor 12, preset and mic. Working of sound decibel meter is the sound decibel meter consists of a microphone, electronic circuit and LED lights and indicator. The microphone detects small air pressure variation associated with the sound and converts them into light energy. Application of this device: it has wide application in different industries and environments